Hola chicos, mi nombre es Vanessa Escobar y soy profesora de español. In this channel, I explain confusing words in Spanish. I also give grammar tips and learning tips. So let's start with the video. Today, we have one word in Spanish that have two different meanings in English. Esperar can be to wait or to hope. Let's start with to wait. For example, nosotros esperamos el bus. We are waiting for the bus. Ella espera una respuesta. She is waiting for an answer, or she waits for an answer. Yo he esperado por más de una hora. I have waited for more than 1 hour. Now, to hope. Ella espera terminar pronto. She hopes to finish soon. Espero que no llueva. I hope it doesn't rain. Esperan conseguir a su gato. They are hoping to find their cat. So any other words that you would like me to explain, leave in the comments and I'll get to it for sure. Also, if you like this kind of content and you also want to have some grammar tips, some learning tips, please like and subscribe. That really helps me to keep going and keep making more and more content. Muchísimas gracias. Adiós.